Turn Skater coming at you with another video. This time we're doing trick tip tutorials with Turn Skater presented by Bunny Skateboards. Let's get into this one. Today's trick tip tutorial is on Pop Shove It 50/50s. So yeah, let's get into it. This was requested by our good homie on the channel, Timothy Luke.
Alright, so we're learning Pop Shove It 50s on this ledge that I like to skate all the time at the logo. Got Trayton in the background. Homie Austin's going to show up here soon. Hopefully, he kills it. So yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so before you start, you want to have a good pop shove it. And you want to have a good frontside 50/50 grind for this trick. Here's how you're going to set your feet up for the stance to do the pop shove it onto the 50/50.
Coming up to the box, you want to be just enough away from it because when you're doing the pop shove it, obviously you're kicking it forward and catching it in the 50/50 and grinding it. So give yourself enough room. You don't want to be all the way like over here where you're trying to jump to it, or you don't want to be here where you like pop up, slip and miss it kind of thing. So yeah. Okay, so before rolling up to it, you guys want to maybe practice getting on one foot, set up in a pop shove it where you think you're at the right like distance between the ledge and your board. So do the pop shove it, get on it like that just to feel it out. Do that, I don't know, 5-10 times, get the feel of it, and then just start hucking it and see what happens. So your best bet, so when you're set up in your feet position, you're gonna pop shove it like that. You don't want to pop shove it like stupid high like this to try and put it down, because that ain't gonna end well for you guys. But yeah, so best advice is you have enough distance. I come at it like this and then I spin my board, which I noticed in the clip, which I'm showing you now. Have a good pop shove it, have a good 50/50 before you start trying it, and then piece it all together and practice it a bunch and you'll guys get it. So yeah, so this has been kind of a quick little tutorial on how to pop shove it 50/50. Personally, it's one of my favorite tricks. I'm going to get consistent here again with them soon. So, yeah, so this has been trick tip tutorials with Turn Skater presented by Bunny Skateboards. Hope you guys dig it. We'll definitely do a few more of these in the future. Maybe we'll get the homies involved and they can teach you some stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, look out for some more shenanigans and stuff with the homies and the crew, and just enjoy your guys' day. Get out there and skate. Alright, peace guys.